Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 2 Neo hatch, stock reference number 5738. The shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2010. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left power door mirror, scratches on the cover. Left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, left sun visor, interior light, right sun visor, instrument cluster,